What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Homestead Dan for yet another video. Today I had to get out here early. Right now it's the morning. Had to get out and beat the sun, because if I don't beat the sun, then I come out too late, the sun gonna beat me. So had to get out here early. Want to come out here and check how the sweet potatoes slips are growing and doing, and see how they're progressing along. I want to be showing that today. I want to be probably showing a lot of sweet potatoes, because honestly that's about the only thing that we got growing here. Besides, we're trying to get pepper plants going. It's just been really hot here in Texas. Little to no rainfall. We just had some rain, but it's been rough when it comes to rain and even gathering rain and stuff like that. So without further ado, let me show how these sweet potatoes are doing. So here are a couple of the sweet potato slips that we had grown here, rooted out, and we planted. And as you can see, they're not doing so bad, actually. They're not doing so bad at all. Starting to like really vine out and travel. It's honestly really late in the season for sweet potatoes, but we're still taking a chance and a crack at growing some sweet potatoes, hoping that, I wouldn't say hot temperature, but it will be warmer in the later months of the year, hopefully. Not too sure, but this is actually one that I just planted out recently. It has no leaves on it, but I just planted that one out. Here are a couple more sweet potato slips. These are, I don't know if we planted these like a little later or something, because obviously they're not as prolific as these ones are over here. And I just planted that one the other day. Here's some more in these tubs right here. Let me tell y'all this, because I did a video about recycle gardening, or using water bottles to use for planting and stuff. And these tubs right here, we actually got these from someone, believe it or not. Oh, we actually got these from someone. I think they used to be yeah, you see that? Used to hold food in these. And so we just repurposed these and just using it for plants now, and gardening and stuff like that. So man, I'm telling you, you can use anything. When you put your mind to it, you can literally use anything to grow stuff in. Here's a little shot of my little water bottles that I got here. That I got green pepper, or peppers. I would say peppers, because I don't know necessarily which peppers these are. They could be serrano or green peppers, but I got my pepper plants growing in these. See? They're growing quite well. They're in the shade and they love it. So yeah, I'm utilizing old 1-gallon water bottles to grow stuff in. And if I can do it, you can do it. But if you don't want to do it, or if you ain't got the will to do it, then well, that's on you. So here I am over by my sweet potato slips that I got growing in these boxes over here. You see, those are sweet potato slips growing up. Those are sweet potato slips growing up. Got my water bottles over here. And also over here, sweet potato slips growing up right there. These ones actually grew back really fast. Actually, I took some slips off these already, but they grew back quite fast already. Probably because I put mesquite leaves in here, which is full of nitrogen. I'm probably gonna put some more in here. First off, it's good nitrogen, but it's also good mulch as well. So definitely gonna probably put some more mesquite leaves in there. Here's a potato right here. If you don't know, I planted this really shallow, not too deep at all. And as you can see, the sweet potato love it so much that they put on slips. When you are trying to grow sweet potato slips, you do not need to completely bury the potato in the ground. You don't need to do that. It will grow right there on top, and you'll be able to harvest the sweet potato slips. And believe it or not, you can actually eat the leaves, supposedly. Don't quote me on that. Look it up. But I heard you can actually eat sweet potato leaves too. But I'm not going to eat them. I'm going to root them out and use it to grow more sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna keep that covered, because I don't want it to like dry out by the sun or anything. But yeah, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the video. That really helps me. Thank you for watching the video. I do appreciate you. This is just a little update on how the sweet potatoes are growing, and kind of wanted to show like what we already got going on and stuff like that. I actually already have sweet potatoes in the water, preparing to root out and stuff like that. But yeah, hopefully I will get more slips prepared and get them out here as soon as possible, and so it can start taking off and stuff. So till next time, peace, God bless. See you all when I see you. Peace.